Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your TEMU account on your TEMU app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open your TEMU app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you download the app, you have to open the app, and on your screen, you can see at the bottom, there's home, categories, you and cart. You have to select you, and at the top right corner, you can see a small settings account. You tap on that, then you can see there are a few options like your payment methods, country and region, language, currency, notification about this app, share this app, switch accounts and sign out. Guys, you have to select sign out button and tap on remember or not now. It's your preference. I'm gonna tap on remember and tap sign out. And guys, that's it. That's how you log out of your TEMU account on your TEMU app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.